Miss PNG because country hosting one blah charity competition. Now the announcement was Miss PNG. Some time go finish. Happen to hosting one blah charity competition. I'll check him out at this la ground. I'll check him go and I'll come to battle them. Now look who I'm Miriam stop. Now only no pronouncement Miss PNG or Miss Pacific. Angel Gabriel Karen talk come down to us you. Papa la declaring me was Mrs. Heaven. You are highly favored.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. That's it. You finish the beginning of Papa God long way blow you yet. Bible, you are crowned with glory and honor. For a little while you are made lower than the angels. Papa still am thinking here. I'm still gonna talk your life for you. Yes or yes?
Yes.